Listen that, friend. I'm at the back porch. Listen this. You those bird? That's what I like. I hope this thing catch those sound, man. Folks, I'm on my back porch Sunday, and I'm full joy in the view. Not the one on ABC. And this tree, there's a lot of birds, man. I'm just trying to catch the sound of the birds in the tree Sunday afternoon. At my condo in Longs. What a blessed afternoon. I hope it pick up those sounds. I hope it does. This is crazy. This is... The birds are whistling up there, man. Look on the view. Beautiful. Beautiful. Hear the damn birds them up there, man. Oh, let her go closer. I'm going closer to the tree. I hope I could catch them. That sound. I hope I get all this sounds effect from these birds. Well, if I hear them, that means that the phone can also hear them too. I can't see them. On the back porch here. Folks, this is gorgeous here, man. Nice view. This is where you have your 3 meals a day and a lot of bills to pay while you're here. I'm throwing stone. If you live in a glass house, don't throw stone, folks. On my back porch, doing this little video. The trees are huge, so they have a drag net just in case it fall. It don't come on the condo. Hope you guys see it. Wow. Alright, that's enough. For now, I did my Sunday morning walk. I didn't take no video, but the birds trigger off this video. And I think I will heading up north soon and very soon. Alright folks, catch you on the next condo video. Take care.